Eel. Yeah. I know you see me right now with a helmet on and wondering what the heck is going on with Solid Rock Entertainment, right? Just cool, man. Just cool. Just cool. Nobody take your horse for no fool. No, this one that we're gonna do for Solid Rock Entertainment on the foundation corner is Big U to the tune by the name of S90 Skank, which was a popular bike, S90, back in the 70s. And Big U, this is one of Big U biggest tune. If you know Mind Sharp, this is one of the tune. Not one of them, no Mind Sharp. This is one of the tune that bust him, seen? So yeah, we're gonna kick it off like a ball with this one, you know, cause we're gonna take a ride. We're gonna dilly and dally in the valley, seeing and smoke up the Cali. Ace, Big Youth, Ace.
Lion youth, Zion. I'm on a hook here, you know. I'm on a go boss, you know. Right now, rhythm whole eye. Rhythm wild. Right on. Highway. But don't you ride like lightning? Cause man, if you ride like lightning, then you'll crash like thunder. So come on down along the way, now the song will lead the ways I would play. But guys, cause someone coming down the song will lead the ways I would read the baby, yo. Wow, baby! Come put your baby.
Wow!
People.
Tune in to the vibes.
I keep on you a whole lot to say. Still keep on saying. I beg your pardon, what did you say? But see how you don't say. Cause if you talk like that,
Wow!
I said if you say so. So all I'm bold and so you got to give me so. I tell you, da, wow. Live it up, da, wow. Da, wow. Live it up, da, wow. Live it up, da, wow. The song called the Jawa Rappers I would play.
Big up to the Tipper Tone sound.
Wow, baby! Goodness gracious! Good gosh! Songs I would say. I tell you that. Play, brother, play. Very cool musical disco today. Musical dishes, I would say. They're coming down along the songs I would play. Yeah! Wow, baby, doobie. Till it down, wow. Live it up,
Ja. That was Big Youth with S90 Skank. Monster hit, as my father would always say when a tune sweet him. And from them time when he knows it was a big monster hit. Yeah, that was a monster hit for Big Youth, man. Monster hit. Apart from I Pray Thee, this is the tune that put Big Youth on the map. See? Yeah, S90 Skank. True. So that's why I say representing, you know what I mean? So I say we're there for hold a vibe, you know, Solid Rock Entertainment. We are here to hold a vibe and enjoy ourselves and live life to the fullness. True. So yes, that is a part of today, Tuesday Solid Foundation series. What a vibe. Solid Rock. Keep it locked. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the vibe. Hold tight. See? One love, one unity, one strength. Hold it. Ace!